Hi there, we are from Enrizon and we are back with another university review. This is Riddhi.
Hi.
And I'm Prerna. So today we are going to review University of South Florida. It's a preeminent research university located in the heart of Tampa Bay. The University of South Florida was founded in 1956. The graduate programs have been among the best according to the US News and World Report, with some program ranking in top 50 in 2018.
So let's take a look at the US News rankings for this university and some of its engineering degree programs. So USF ranks 89 as the best engineering college in USA. Amongst specific graduate programs, USF is ranked 29 in environmental and environmental health engineering, 34 in industrial and manufacturing engineering, 76 in civil engineering, and number 77 in computer engineering.
Let's talk about some of the popular graduate programs. The Master of Science in Industrial Engineering, which was ranked in 34 by US News, is an advanced graduate degree focused on preparing professionals in the design, evaluation, and operations of complex industrial systems in all sectors of economy. The degree provides students with a strong technical and research background necessary to solve challenging problems with the state-of-art techniques, including analytics, information technology, production planning and production management, also the finance, applied automation, engineering statistics, quality control and reliability.
So another very good program here is the Master of Science in Computer Engineering. This is a very good program for one of the best reasons is that the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, they offer a thesis and a non-thesis option for the MS students to choose from. So the thesis option requires students to pursue a more concentrated range of topics, while the non-thesis allows students to explore the various areas of computer engineering. There is considerable freedom in the choice of the courses. So some of the major research areas available for this course are algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining, networks, VLSI design, computer security, robotics, and a lot more.
So let us now understand what it takes to get admitted to a graduate program at USF. So for international applicants, the minimum requirement for TOEFL and IELTS would be 79 and 6.5 respectively. As far as GRE is concerned, there is no minimum score requirement, but the average GRE score for student is usually 158 in quantitative reasoning and 146 in verbal reasoning. And when it comes to GPA, the good chance of getting admitted to USF is if you have undergrad GPA of 3.31 on the scale of 4.
So the next concern for any student applying to any university abroad would be the financial aspects of the same. So let's understand a little bit about the various financial aspects that would be involved if you decide to do a master's program at USF. So the application fee for an online application is $30. The tuition fees for graduate programs is usually $15,000 a year, and living expenses add up to $8,000 to $11,000 per year. USF offers great scholarship options and assistantship options to graduate students. They have a decent number of teaching and research assistantships. So research assistantship is basically when a student is required to work under the guidance of a professor and they get paid for this. Teaching assistantship is basically when the student could be helping the professor make notes, assess the grades, etc.
So now let's talk about the various unsecured loan options available for student enrolled in graduate program at USF. So first option would be Indian NBFC, which offers unsecured loan up to 50 lakhs and the interest rate starts at 12%. Second option would be International Financial Institute, which offers unsecured loans without co-borrowers at the interest rate starting at 9%. And the third option is US banks offer unsecured loans with US cosigner and the starting interest rate would be 4%.
So now that you spend this kind of a cost, you obviously want to recover that, which takes us to the next topic of job availability after graduation. Let us understand the job situation and the prospects for students graduating from USF. So some of the top tech companies in Florida are Governland Incorporation, Power DMS, Nearpod, IT Pro TV, and these are just to name a few. However, one drawback is that out of the total international students, nearly 50% are from India. So this makes it slightly competitive in the terms of job search because you'll basically be in competition with students who are from very similar background as yours.
So to conclude, USF is a very good option for you to consider for your graduate studies in the US. It is relatively cheap as compared to most of the other universities and offer great academic and research opportunities for students. So if you found this video useful, you can give us thumbs up and you can comment which university you want us to cover next. And yeah, so
Thank you. Bye-bye.
bye.